How to delete Facebook account. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu in the lower right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Open Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details. Tap Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook account you want to delete. Tap Delete Account, then tap Continue. It shows the information we will lose when we delete our Facebook account. Tap Continue. We don't have to select any reason here, just tap Continue again. Facebook shows us here other options that we have. Simply scroll down and tap Continue. Enter your Facebook password when asked. On the final screen, tap Delete Account to confirm. Your Facebook account is now scheduled for deletion. If you log back in within the next 30 days, the deletion will be cancelled.